Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, when I'm installing the Java version like for 15 latest one, I'm not able to
Uh-huh.
download the JRE files. Like I'm not getting those JRE files. I'm just getting the JDK.
Yes, yes, yes. Previously, if you download 8 means you will get a zip format kind of thing. So you can get the both. But now in the latest only they are giving JDK. Okay. So we can download it
Yeah,
separately with them. Yeah, we can download it. But it is
okay.
program
Is
is
that
running, right?
compatible like 15 JDK and 8 JRE?
No, not required. So you while you're writing the program, it is executing, right? Did you check that one? You
No,
did you write?
like on the first day it got like I was able to do, but the second day it was saying that it is not compatible for Eclipse or something. I got an error message.
Okay. So you not set the okay.
Yeah, that's the
But
reason why I installed both 8th version. I'm not sure about those 15th and all, so I installed 8th version.
okay, 8 is working, right?
Yeah, it is working.
Okay, fine. We'll see that one. 15 also it should work because whenever you add it, right, it will come both like 15 and 8. So it should work. Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
not
guys.
sure why it gave me error message saying that it is not compatible.
No, no. See, in my system it is 15 only, but setting the path and all the things we need to check.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Who want to share the screen, guys, today?
Can I share? I just have an error message.
Okay, you can.
Yeah.
So you can share your screen. Yeah. Can you maximize this screen?
Can you see my? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm able to see the screen. Can you maximize? Okay. Hmm. See why? This is wrong, right? Under the package, you need to do these two things, right? Oh, why your package is getting wrong? Okay. Can you right click why this package is? Can you create one more project? We'll see one more project.
One more?
Project.
Yeah.
Okay. Create new. Go to the files. Okay. Right. Launching the Chrome browser. Yesterday we saw the Chrome, right? Today we saw the Firefox. Okay. Launching the Firefox browser. Yeah. Next. Finish. Okay. Okay. So close this all the things. Okay. Can you close this Selenium demo? I will tell you. Okay. Okay. SRC, right? Under SRC, what we need to do? We need to create a package. Can you create a package?
Create a package.
Yeah. New package. So that package name is what? Firefox.
Can I
Just
keep
write
the
as a
same
fire.
name?
Okay. Sorry. Okay.
Can I keep
Finish.
the same name?
Yeah, you can pick it. You can keep it. Not a problem. Yeah. Finish. Okay. Under the package, what we are need to do? Under the package, we are creating the class.
Class.
Yeah, class name. So Firefox, guys, can you tell me, can we give the class name as a spaces? Can we give or not? Can anyone? Can we give the class name giving the spaces in between? Firefox space
No.
browser. Can we give like that?
No, no, sir.
No,
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 it
sir.
should not. Yeah,
getting
good,
error.
good. It getting the error. It should not. Hold on, guys. One second. On. Okay. So please remember, guys, when you're creating the class name should be a capital letter, and you need to always select public static void main. Okay. So no one will tell you all the things once you get into the job. Make sure that you need to check all these areas, public static void main. See, Java is will be executed without main, right? You know that one, right? So main is very, very important. Okay, can you click finish? Yeah. So now what is the thing is what I want to launch the Firefox browser. Okay. So yeah, first of all, you need to add your jar files. Otherwise, it won't get it right. So where we can add the jar files, guys? Anyone tell me where we can add the jar files?
SRC.
Yes, yes.
Tell me. SRC,
S, yeah.
Build path, right click,
build path. Tell
configure
me.
build path,
Configuration build path. Next,
click
uh,
libraries,
library.
Libraries. Add external
extra,
jar.
Add
extra.
external jar. So this one is interview question, guys. If you are fresher level, they will ask you where we can add the external jar. So you need to tell that SR project. Otherwise, you can say under the project, right click build path. What we need to do? Configuration build path. Under the configuration build path, you need to add all your libraries. Yeah. So that is very, very important. Okay. Apply and close. What is the key for Chrome driver, guys? Can anyone? What is the key for Chrome driver?
WebDriver.chrome.driver.
Okay, good. So you always remember the key. Okay. Okay, apply and close.
I think I forgot one of the jar file.
Okay, if you have a doubt again, you can add it. No problem. Add external jars. If you have a doubt, select the two. Don't keep on doubt. Okay. If you have doubt, again do that one. Okay. Otherwise, the key, the doubt will be always will be like that one. Okay. Okay. Add
Yeah, now I
external
got
jars.
it.
Got it. Okay. Apply and close. Now you need to do like the things. We need to use the reference libraries. Okay, write reference libraries. What we need to do? Write import in the top after the package. After the package, import. See, previously what you done, you write before the package. That's the reason it is showing error. Import org.openqa openqa
Okay.
dot openqa
Is
selenium
it
dot remove the star, write the WebDriver. WebDriver is required, right? So write WebDriver. Control space, don't write control space. Guys, always remember use control space. Write only two letters. You need not worry about the code. Code will automatically will come. So use always because you write a small letter and capital letter. Your learning stage right now. So use always control space. Down below it will come. Choose correct one. Okay. Don't write fastly. Okay. So check that what you are writing. Okay. Import space. Sorry. org dot openqa dot openqa dot. So what we need to do now, we are launching the Firefox, right? Selenium dot Firefox dot Firefox driver, right? Selenium, short Firefox, two letters, control space. Yes, Firefox driver down below. See how it is. Only I'm writing two letters. Always make sure that it should be yellow. Why? Because it's a warning message. You are not using, but you are writing. So if it is red line means make sure that it should be correct. Means why it is getting the red line, you need to check whether the small letters or capital letters. Okay. So these two lines is very, very important. Import org.openqa.selenium. For WebDriver, we are calling this one. For Gcode driver, we are calling this one. Import org. Openqa.selenium.firefox.firefox driver. And suddenly, if anyone asks to launch the Firefox, means you need to import these two things. Okay. And next, what we need to do? So you need have to download the G-code drivers. Do you have the G-code drivers in your system, Lalita?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Call Srini. Okay, Srini, don't call sir. Okay, do one thing.
Sorry, Srini.
Okay, that's good. No problem. Go to the website, dev selenium.dev site. You can go to the dev site. Dev. Yeah. Click enter. Downloads. Okay. Downloads. G-code driver. Come down. In interview, they will ask you what is the Firefox driver means. What G-code driver? G-code driver is very, very important. Yeah. Click that one. G-code driver releases in the top. You will see the yeah. Click that link button. Very easy, guys. First one. Okay. 0.29 o.29.o. Sometimes they will ask you or test you what version you are using G-code driver. So you always remember the version names, version numbers, and all the things, guys, before you are going to interview. Okay. So they will ask you which version you are currently using for the just for your testing purpose. They will ask you. If the real time guys always use, right, so always they remember the version numbers. You also remember the version numbers also. Now onwards, what are you are downloading, please remember that version numbers. Okay, come down, come down. Hold on. See here, the G-code driver is what? So first you need to check your operating system is what, 32-bit or 64-bit. So how can I know that my operating system is 34-bit or 64-bit? So first of all, you need to check. So go to this PC, come down, search, down below search, this PC. Yeah, right click, properties. So see, make sure that your system type in the top, you're there, right? In the top. System type 64-bit operating system. So whenever you want to download anything, you always make sure that you need to take 64-bit only, because your system type is what, 64-bit. Okay. So before download 32 or 64, you will get a confused. Just come to your system type and just come to your this PC, right click property and check what is your system type. Maximum, for every system nowadays, like 64 only will be there, but cross checking, just one time I'm cross checking. Okay, close this. So your bit is 64-bit, 8 GB RAM. Okay, good. So yeah, download this one. No. And folder structure is also very, very important, guys. Please do not keep all in one area. Okay, go to the downloads. No, don't do that. Go to the downloads, go to the, it should come zip format. See, this zip format you cannot directly add. Copy this one and keep in somewhere, or you can cut this one. Okay, right click, select that folder, G-code driver 0.26. Right click, cut, cut. Yeah, go to any folder where you are keeping all your drivers. In which driver you are keeping? You are keeping any separate, or you are keeping in C driver only? C drive only.
In C drive, yeah, I got everything in C drive.
Okay, where did you keep any folder for Selenium for here?
It must be here,
I saw
but I have
this.
Java in this.
No, I saw here Selenium also.
Here.
Yeah, okay, click there. Selenium, create one folder. Create one folder. So don't keep all in. See, folder structure is very, very important, guys. In the real time also. Click the folder. Keep drivers. Write a driver. Selenium drivers or drivers, whatever it may be. Selenium drivers. Hmm. Under the Selenium drivers, again one more folder you can create. Drivers. Open the driver folder. Now create one more folder. Gcode driver or Firefox, whatever it may be. You want which name you want, you can put it. Firefox or Gcode. Okay, Gcode drivers. Version is what? Always mention that version number. Okay, 0.29.0. Okay, don't put dots, just 029. Okay, whatever it means. Because when you're giving the path, right, it will get a. Okay, open that folder. Play, paste it. We cut there, right? We can paste it. Control V. And now extract here. Extract. You need to extract, guys. If you are not extracting that folder, it won't work. Extract all. Yeah. So yeah, you got it. Now go to your Eclipse program. Now tell me, guys. You only tell me what we need to do, guys. Can anyone tell me what we need to do now? Guys, tell me what we need to do now.
Set system.set properties we need to initiate.
Right. Right. System dot S capital. System dot set property. Okay. System dot set property key and value. Yeah. Okay. Now what is the key, guys, for here? Oh,
Webdriver.gcode.driver.
right. Double quotes. Put in double quotes. String means what? Remember, no need to go for Java. When you're learning the code, right? What is the string? The string should be in the double quotes. Okay. Now right. Webdriver dot gcode dot driver. Understanding, right? Next, what do you need to do? Comma. Give the path, double quotes. What path you need to give?
I need to copy from there.
Which one? Go to the folder and copy the path. Check the path is correct or not. Okay, good. We are not getting any red last semicolon. Okay, remember, guys, you should put semicolon at the end of the statement. Okay. Okay, come down. Now what we need to do, guys? Can you tell me what we need to do? What we need to do, guys? Now
WebDriver.
we need to initialize the WebDriver. We need to create the object for the WebDriver. Yeah, you need to create object, right? Yeah, right. WebDriver. Very easy, guys. WebDriver driver. So that is what object name space memory allocation will be here only. Okay, create object driver. You can give any name. Okay, just we are giving the driver for our understanding. Equals to what you need to create new. What do you need to do? New Firefox driver. New Firefox driver. People will be confused here only. Don't write. Control space. Always use control space. Okay, for initial stage. Yeah, see, automatically it will come. Okay, click that one. Now I create the object for new Firefox driver. Now I'm calling everything with the object itself. All right. Why WebDriver is showing? Put a cursor there. It is showing red line, right? Put a cursor. It is saying that hey, can you change that WebDriver name? No, put a cursor there. It is asking change to WebDriver down below. D should be capital. One more. Down below. One more.
This should be capital.
Yeah, D should be the capital.
Oh, 1 second.
So you need not write. If you put the cursor right, it will show that change to WebDriver. Come down. Come to down. One more. Yeah, that one. Okay, very easy, guys. You need not do anything. Just it will show each and everything. You need to follow the steps. If you follow the steps, you can write any code. Easy one. Okay, without programming knowledge also we can do. But at least you need to know what is string, what is object, what is class. You need to know all the things. Okay. Okay. Now driver dot. Now you can call driver dot get. Get means you are calling the URL. Okay. Which URL you want to call? You just open that URL. Okay. Get. Get. Yeah. That is also string. String means what? Double quote. Always remember double quotes you need to put. In the double quotes, what URL you want? Just type that URL. Go to the Google and open any URL and paste it here. If you are confident about the URL, then you can type. CA stand for Canada.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sorry,
So
Srini. Yeah.
okay, good. Okay, now see, guys, what we done, just check this one. What I'm writing here, only 3 steps, guys. No need to mug up, no need to by heart. If you understand one code, right, the next code you only can write. Only I'm taking what 3 lines. System dot set property. I'm telling to my browser to open this key. What is the key? I'm giving valid key. For every browser, there is a specific keys will be there. For a Chrome driver, what is the key? What is the key for a Chrome driver? Web driver.
WebDriver.chrome.driver.
Yes, absolutely good. That key is very, very important. For Gcode driver, you need to write webdriver.gcode.driver. That key you need to remember. That's it. The path, you know, right? Where is the path you are getting? System selenium.dev. Go to that website and download that Gcode driver, Firefox driver, and download into your system. That path you need to give. In case in interview they ask you write any program, you can take the challenging thing and you can write it, right? You can launch this first step you can do, right? Easily you can do. What I'm doing here, I'm creating the project. In the project I'm adding what jar files, where I'm adding the jar files under src, right click, build path, configuration build path, and add libraries. After that what I'm doing, I'm importing that one. What is required, I was importing that one. For here I required Firefox, so I'm simply writing 1 line code: import org dot openqa dot firefox dot firefox driver. So you always remember 2-3 steps, only 2-3 steps. Understanding, right? Interview they will ask you to write a code, you can ask, yeah, I'm ready to write a code. You should say like that. Okay, don't fear about this one. No one will ask you this in depth only. They will ask you, can you launch the browser? So I'm ready to launch. Give me the paper also, I will write the code and I can give you. So you always practice on these areas. Okay, can you control S and run it? Can you
Srini,
control S? Yeah,
hello,
go
Srini,
ahead.
here path is
Yeah.
not giving .gecko.exe. The path is not correct.
1 second, I'm not able to see correctly here my no, let's try with that one. If it is through that one, we will see. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
You want me to run it?
Okay. Yeah, run it. Let's run it. So it is saying that what? So what is the error it is showing in the top? Can you read that? Cannot
Exception
find
thread main. Yeah,
uh,
cannot
this
find.
message. After that, cannot find the path. So make sure the Firefox path is installed. Okay. So what he said is that what he said, it is correct. Make sure that you need to give the path correctly. Okay. Can you go and check the path one more time? What you're
Yeah.
giving the path?
Gecko.driver. This is not path is correct, but she will give to go to
Check one.
here Gecko driver. No.
1 second.
Go to
Open the
Eclipse.
Eclipse. Go to the
Eclipse.
Eclipse.
Open it.
Don't
Okay.
worry. Okay.
Here Gecko driver Windows
Here.
Win64. Here
Mm-hmm.
dot Gecko driver.
Yeah. You need to give. Why you copy the path correctly only, right? Then why it is not
Yeah.
came?
She copied the path only in the
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So
I'll
to
try it
avoid.
once. second. Just give me
Okay,
one.
again. Okay, notepad. Open the notepad and copy that one. Okay, right. Shift key,
Right.
right click. I think he copied the top address. Okay, I got it.
Top address, yes.
Okay, okay, got it. Okay, thank you, thank you. So see, that is what troubleshooting. Okay, shift right click, copy as a path. Copy as a path. Now open the notepad. Open the notepad.
Notepad.
Notepad. Just checking. First initial stage, right? I'm in the initial stage. Once I got a confidence, I can write directly. But you are learning stage, right? So you need to check.
Yes, sir. This is correct.
Yeah, so this is what he said, it's correct. .exe is not there, but previously what you copy from up to here only it is copied. But anyhow, your error is saying correctly, right? Your path is not correct. So make sure that you need to check. Okay, copy this one. Good. So that is what you need to understand how we are writing the code and all the things, troubleshoots. Okay, now can you run now?
Yeah, I need to change this one second.
Okay, change it. I'm giving you 2 minutes, guys. I will be back.
Remove that double quote, Lalita.
Yeah.
Save it and 1 second.
It is showing still something error.
Remove slash also here, .exe slash.
Okay. Yeah, this is fine.
Yeah. Save and run it.
Yeah, can you run now? Oh, still we are getting issue. Go to the path. You cannot find the boundary path. Still make sure that. Why it is showing this one? Hold on. Fine. OS is installed to be okay. Can you Control S and run it one more time? Just close this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, run it one more. System dot set property. Yeah. Expression main through that you cannot find the fire. Hey, you have Firefox in your system. Make sure that you have Firefox.
No,
Take
no, I do
Firefox.
not have Firefox.
Okay, can you install that one? Can you install that one? Go to the Chrome.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem. Don't panic, okay? It's a Firefox. Errors only we require. Firefox. Yeah. Download. Okay, download the Firefox. First this one. Download Firefox English Canada. Anything, okay. Download.
Oh.
So then interview question, guys, they will ask you what is the key for GCO driver. Okay, what is the what is the key? So you need to answer for that one, WebDriver dot GCO dot driver. Okay. So Chrome also they will ask you. Okay, can you install that one? Double click. It will take 2 minutes. So without Firefox, we cannot launch. That makes sure that you need to install that Firefox.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm completely like a non-IT background. I do not have
No
any
problem. Yeah, no, total. See, this is what we are learning the things. Okay. So even we also do the same thing in the starting years. Okay. See, that's not a problem. Okay. Let's go ahead.
Is it a standard or
Next,
custom?
yeah, next standard next install. Hmm. Yeah, finish. Mm. Yeah. Can you close the browser in the top, download and all the things? All now can you run one more time Control S and we'll see. Run this one. Yeah, started. See, launching, listening what port number 127. Good. Congrats. So we are successfully launching the Firefox. So guys, don't panic
I
if
thought it
you
was
are
error.
getting the errors. Just look into that error. Console errors is very, very important. Troubleshooting is very, very important. Writing the code can do anyone. I can copy and paste the code, but troubleshooting is very, very important. Where I'm stuck, because once you get a job, right, already the code is there. You need not write anything because you are not going for an initial stage, right? Already some Java, already your Selenium guy is already written some code, so you need to check the code first, understanding the code, what the code written and all the things. So that is the way you need to understand the console, what console error I'm getting and not. First error, exe is not there. We did exe. Next error, the path is not set up. So I'm checking, I'm analyzing. So Firefox is not there. I install the Firefox. Now it is successfully working. So this is the way you need to do that one. Okay. Okay, can you close this one? So one more time, I'm just telling that what we are giving here, guys, Firefox system dot set property and key and value we are giving. And what is the key means in entry question, WebDriver dot Gcode dot driver. Okay, so this is the way we can launch. Yesterday we saw the Chrome browser. Today we saw the Firefox. Okay, anyone want to share your screen, guys? We want to do the Gcode driver. Anyone want to share your screen? Anyone? Guys, did you install everyone Java?
Yes, Srini. I
Yeah.
installed and
Okay, good. You want to share your screen?
already I wrote the Gecko driver and Firefox.
Okay.
Chrome.
Edge you already done?
Yes, done. It's
Okay,
working
good.
fine.
Okay, good, good. Anyone
I
wants the
tried
opportunity,
IE
guys?
also. Edge
Okay,
browser
good.
also I tried.
Good, 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 good. Okay. Anyone wants the opportunity, guys, to share your screen to do the program from your end? So don't panic, guys. We are the team. We are the QA team. Okay. Don't shy. Don't do that things. I'm not able to do that. Don't think like that. Just it is a interaction sessions. Anyone want to share your screen? Last call. Anyone want to share your screen? Hmm. Okay. Then your wish. Okay, that's good. Tomorrow I will ask you guys. Everyone should share your screen. Everyone. See, everyone, I want to share your screen. Only one person will not do all the things. Okay. I want one person. They need to share your screen. Okay. Make sure that your setup will be correct tomorrow.
So
Okay.
Srini, we have to import the only after the package.
After the package, you did you write in the top of the right. That's the reason it was not clean. Okay. Can you create a new project? One more project.
Sure.
File, new Java project. Edge Chrome. Right. Edge Chrome. So yeah. Next and finish. Okay. Now, right under SRC, right click, new package. Package is very, very important. Package, yeah, finish. Under the package, what do you need to do? Create a class. Right click, new,
Class.
new class. Yes, good. New class. Class name is what? Launching the Edge Chrome. Edge Chrome. And select public static void main. Finish. Okay. Now, hmm, now if you write import means it will be work or not? It will work or not? If you write
Oh
import,
no, sorry.
it
I
won't
have
work.
to add the
Yes.
jar files.
Yes, absolutely good. It won't work. You need to add what? Jar files, build path, configuration, build path. Remember, guys, whenever you create a one project, in that project you need to add jar files. Okay. In a project, you can create multiple classes. For that classes, you not required any add to the jar files. Only the project you need to add. Okay. Open library. Select all. Okay. Yes. Apply and close. Now write the same thing. Import. Yeah. Import org.openqa.selenium.webdriver. That is common for everything. Okay. Remove that line. No. Remove that line. OpenQA org.openqa. Yeah.
WebDriver.
Selenium.webdriver. Yes. No need to just two lines, right? And you use control space. Automatically it will come. Okay. Okay. I am not remembers our code. Don't say all the things. Okay. Open. See, Selenium required practice, guys. You are thinking that it is easy. When you are implemented in your system, then you will know what is that pain. Okay, edge driver, control space. Use control space. Yeah, first one. So I request you to make a document, or you make sure that you need to practice all these areas. Okay. Before that, you need to download the G code driver, right? Go to the Selenium site. Go to the Selenium site. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. Browsers. Okay. Edge Chrome. Yeah, Edge documentation. So always make sure don't take the 90 release because our Chrome is maximum 88, right? Better you can take 88. Okay, 88 64-bit. Venkat, and which one you took? Which one you took? Take see first one 64, 64. Go to the first line. Yeah, 64, 64, not 86, 64. Yeah, click there.
But this is saying Mac.
Why? No, it's not Mac, right? It's X means Windows only. Mac means, yeah, it's a
Okay.
Mac, right? You can download that one. It's not a big problem. Okay. It's no, yeah,
Okay.
you can download that one because we don't have anything like. Oh, Mac is separate one. Comma is the right. X, yeah. Go to the download. That is Windows only. Download. Go to the downloads. Where is that folder? Okay, cut that one. Cut one.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. Go to the. Always keep a folder structure. Yeah. Selenium. Yeah. Go to the Selenium. Drivers. Paste. Create a new folder. Write Edge Chrome 88. Version number is what? 88. Yeah. Under the Edge Chrome, paste this one. Hmm. Extract this one. No. Extract. Yeah. Extract all. Hmm. So now open that one. Hmm.
Sorry, do you want
Shift
me to
key.
open Edge Chrome?
No, this one. Shift key and right click copy as a path. Last time how you will do the same thing. No, not that one. Come
No,
to down MSC. Yeah. Down one.
But
Yeah.
this one.
Shift key, copy as a path. If you press shift key, right? Okay, no problem. Shift key, right click, copy as a path. So you need to press shift key along with that one. Okay. Shift key, right click, Copy as a path. Yes, got it. Yeah. Now go to your Eclipse. Right. What we need to write, guys, here? System dot, same thing, guys. System dot set property key and value. Okay. Yeah. In the double quotes, what is the key, guys, for here? The interview
Web
question.
driver,
What is the key? What is the key
web
for
driver,
here?
driver.
WebDriver dot
Dot
edge
edge
dot
dot edge
driver.
driver.
Yeah, interview question, guys. Easily you can answer it in the interview. W should be small, Lalita. Okay, W should be the small. Okay, if you write wrong also, it will throw the things. Okay, it will ask you to write change. Okay, not a problem. And give the path, double quotes. Paste it. Remove the extra one. Hmm. Semicolon. At the end, semicolon. Click enter. Okay. Now what we need to do, guys? Can anyone? What we need to do? What we need to do? We need to create a
Initial.
web driver.
Create
Initialize
web
the
driver.
yes, web driver.
Web driver. Driver.
Driver. Create the object for this one. Object is very well. Driver equals to for Edge Chrome. What we need to do? Create new edge
driver.
driver.
Edge
New
driver.
edge driver. Control space. Control space. You write 2 lines. Edge. Write 2 lines and control space. Edge driver. See. Suppose in the program while I'm writing, I'm not able to get right 2 lines. Write it 2 lines. What you are thinking, just put control and space. Automatically it will come. Okay. Now write driver dot get URL. Now in my class, everyone can launch all these things. Okay, without help with others. Are you sure? Right? Everyone can do, right? If anyone asks to launch the browser, means everyone you need to do this. Okay. Okay, go to the path, give the any URL. So practice is required, guys. Practice, practice, practice. Yeah. Do you require anything here? Java? Not required. Even Java also not required. But at least you need to know what is string, what is class, what is package. At least you need to know all these areas. Okay. Okay. Run now. Control S and run now. What is saying? Again, it is asking you need to write. So hold on. WebDriver dot edge dot driver. Copy that key. Set by the first line. Copy that up to driver. Copy that. If you write wrong, right, it will ask you change like that. Okay. Okay. Change like that. Key. Okay. You are right at edge one more time, right? That's the reason it is asking. WebDriver dot edge dot driver only. Remove that the
Okay.
thing and copy them. Okay. Good. Run now. Control S and run. So troubleshooting is very, very important. What is troubleshooting? They ask you errors, what errors you find while you are writing the code. So you need to check that one. Okay. Okay. Starting. What happened? It will take time. Good. Congrats. So you are launching the Edge Chrome also. You are launching the Chrome also. You're launching the Firefox also. So IE is not there. If you launch IE also, it will be redirected to Edge Chrome. So make sure that IE browser also we need to do in case if they ask. But in future there is no IE. Okay. So mainly you need to focus on these areas. What is Chrome, Firefox, and Edge Chrome. Okay. So these three are very, very important. So interview questions. What is the key for a Chrome? WebDriver.chrome.driver. What is the key for Gcode driver? So WebDriver.gcode.driver. And what is the key for Edge Chrome? WebDriver.edge.driver. One interview question is already completed. No need to prepare this question, already done. So in interview 100% they will ask you, in the fresher level they will ask you, or else they ask you write a code. Please write the code in the proper format. Don't panic and don't write up and don't write down. So it should be neat and clean. First of all, order. What is the order? Create a project, file, new Java project. Under the Java project, create the package. Under the package you need to create the class. After that, what is the next step? I need to add the jar files. Where I get the jar files? Go to the selenium.dev site, download WebDrivers jar files. Once you download into your system, that jar files to add it into your project. Where I need to add src, right click, build path, configuration build path, add libraries. In the add libraries, I will add all my jar files. Once it is done, then what I need to do? Go to the class. In the class, I need to import the reference libraries. What are the reference libraries for that particular driver? So import org.openqa.selenium.webdriver. Import org.openqa.selenium.edge.edge driver. So understanding, right, this is the way you need to learn. And what is the key and what is the value? Interview question. The key means what? Specific driver key you need to provide. If it is Chrome, means Chrome dot webdriver.chrome.driver. What is the path? Interview question. What is the path? So path we need to download from the Selenium from the Selenium website, and we need to give the path. So where you download in your local, that path you need to give. Okay. Is it clear? Still anyone lagging to launch the browsers? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Guys, please, everyone required the practice, guys. Everyone, because this is very important one. First step. So I hope everyone is doing right. So tomorrow, if you are good in this area, tomorrow we can go with the browser commands. Like there are few browser commands will be there. So we will work on the browser commands. Okay. Is it clear? So make sure today also I'm not going very fast, because once you try from your end, everyone should be launch all three browsers, guys. Everyone should launch all three browsers. Okay. For IE, Firefox, leave it IE, Chrome, Firefox, and Edge Chrome. Okay. Can you do, right, everyone?
Srini.
Yes,
Yeah.
Srini.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
please, because tomorrow I will see you all your, because I trust you. I cannot like show me your thing, show me your thing, show me your thing. I cannot ask like that, because we are professionals. Okay. Yeah. So if I do not have the time, that's well and good. So Srini, I don't have the time to work on, then I can work on this weekend. Then that is the answer, is valid answer. Okay. So please practice on your end, because seeing the screen is completely different, and writing your own is completely different. Still, once we have the experience also, sometimes we are also do the mistakes. So please practice from your end today. Spend for 1 hour or 20 minutes here. If you understand the concept, 20 minutes is required. Okay. So that is very important. So we'll see tomorrow the browser commands and all the things. And if it is possible, okay, if it is possible, make the document, guys. Documentation is very important. Most of the people are documentation. If I say that documentation, they will not start, but generally in the real time the documentation will be there. So are you able to see my screen, right? The documentation is very important. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Yeah. See, what is the documentation here? The scenario one, open URL and verify the title of the home page. The steps: open the Chrome browser, go to the specific URL and verify the title and print the output and close the browser. So they will give you like scenarios wise. You need to identify the scenarios and you need to understand the scenarios. Based on the scenarios, you need to write the code. Understanding, right? So test data. What is test data? See what URL you are giving, right? That is what test data. So what is expected result? The title should become after your script run. The title should this online shopping site in India. So the title should become. So how you need to do all the things? You need to make it as a documentation. Okay. For at least you need to make your documentation from your end. Okay. Just take a Word document. Anyhow, I will send this document, guys. Don't worry. So I can send this documents to you for everyone. But once you've done your from your end, take a Word pad or a Word document and write your code there. So that is what parallelly you will get some exercise. Okay. So tomorrow we'll see the browser commands. That is very, very important. What are the browser commands? We'll see on tomorrow. Okay. Any questions so far? Anybody? Please install the Java. Still you are not installed the Java, let me know. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, I just
Anybody?
have one doubt, like not regarding this program, but you said that we can like extract the previous test cases, like these things. So is that possible for you to show us?
Means I'm not getting you. Previous
Like
means what?
already written one. You told that it is available, like that we can get from the previous one.
You are asking the documentations,
No, I mean
test
it's like
cases.
test cases, already written test cases. Yes.
Yeah, we can do that one, but code you need to write for this one. See, already we done right this one. I think you are in the manual class. We already seen all these things, right? There is a test case template. So you need to automate all these things in the automation. Like you need to make sure that this should be automated all these scenarios. Okay. So it will take time. It's not be like the 1 day or 2 days. Okay, it will take time. See, they will give you like this steps and preconditions and post conditions and expected results and actual results. Okay, so already they written some test cases. Okay, based on the test cases, they ask you to automate all these test cases. If it is already there, means we can see what I say in previously. Suppose you got job right now, you
Mhm.
need not write from the starting onwards. Browser launching and all the things, it's not required because already someone is already written the code. So they will ask to automate some page, only one module they ask you. So slowly you need to write the script for that assigned modules. What are the assigned modules you write? You need to handle for that. Okay. Some companies first they will start manual. Once the manual is done, when you get free time, they will use to do the automation. Some companies purely you are taking as a automation side, you need to work on purely an automation side on. Some companies they will take as a both automation as a manual. So initially the manual work will be there. See, automation means what? And understanding the manual things first. You need to understand the functional flow. Then only you can do automation, right? Otherwise, I cannot do automation. If I don't know what is happening in this area, how I need to know how I need to automate the things. First of all, I need to know the functionality of the application. Then only I can do the automation. Okay. So each and every step you need to know. Then only we can
Okay.
do the automation. Okay. So interview questions,
So we
guys.
get the test
All
scenarios before we write the coding.
yes, you can write your own, just how you are doing now, launching the Amazon site, right? You can write your one template, like what I can do for this script. So you need to write, open the browser, what is the test data and all the things. You can write your own. You can write your own
Okay.
documentation, but not required. In case in case in organization they provide the template means you need to follow the same template. Okay. But what I'm saying that
Okay.
copy the code in the documents. Always what you written the code, you need to copy in the Word document. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes entry question, guys, what are the prerequisites to write a script? So they will ask indirectly. Suppose I want to write the script, what is required? So you need to tell that we need to download the Java, we need to install the Eclipse, and we need to download the web drivers and add the jar files into the Eclipse and download the third-party browser drivers like Zico or Chrome or IE. What are the prerequisites for writing the script for the web driver? So what is the prerequisite? If I want to write the script, what is required? You already seen, right, all the things. Install the Java. Sure, sure. Download the install and download and install the Java and download and install the Eclipse and download the Selenium web drivers and add. See, do not forget this line. Add Selenium jar files to Eclipse, like your project, and also download the third-party browser drivers. What are the browser drivers? Just now we download the Chico. Just now we download the Firefox. Okay. So how launching the Chrome browser? What is how we are launching downloading the Chrome driver.exe? Okay, and this is what key and value. This is very important. WebDriver.chrome.driver. And what is the path? You need to give your path. Respect to the path you need to give. Okay. And launching the Chrome browser, you need to give what system.setProperty. Set property is very important. Key and value you need to provide. And creating the driver object referring of WebDriver interface. WebDriver is the interface. Okay, we can create an object for this one for the Chrome driver. Now next time I will call with the object itself, driver.get, driver.current URL, driver. So you can use some commands. Okay, so this is the way we need to launch the things. What are the importing the packages? These two are very important. Import org.openqa.selenium.webdriver, and the second one what we are doing, import org.openqa.selenium.chrome.chrome drive. Understanding, right? These two things is very important for the Chrome. Now tell me for the Zico driver what I need to import, guys. Anyone? For a Zico driver what I need to import?
Import org.openqa.selenium.webdriver and import org.openqa.selenium.edgechrome driver.
Yes, here Firefox driver. If you're launching the, yeah. So this, if you understand these two lines, no need to depend anyone. Even you need not depend on me. See, already Venkat is already done his part. Understanding, right? So no need to depend. But one program you need to do correctly. Don't jump immediately. Take 10 days time also for writing this code. Still you are not you are in confused or still you have doubt, let me know. We can clarify that one. You cannot jump immediately. First concentrate only one program, Chrome, how I need to launch the Chrome. You are strong in that area, then other area 5 minutes. You believe or not, it's a 5 minutes. Only I'm changing two things. One is key and path. Rest of the code is same, right? Some people are anxiety, already done, I want to jump. If there is a part you are not completed Chrome, immediately you are jumping in Firefox. You are not completed, then immediately Edge Chrome. Don't do that one. Take a whole day, take your time, complete one browser, at least one browser, and understand the code. In case an interview asks, you can explain that one. Okay. So this is what, how can we write the launching the Chrome browser? You can write and write 2 to 3 times. Close the laptop. Don't see and write. Close the laptop and write in the notepad or take a book and pen. Write the code. Write the code at least one time. Then you will understand what I'm writing. So you will not forget in the interview point. Understanding, right? So first impression is the best impression. They will ask you write a code means. You will put blank face or panic face or tension. Don't do that one. If they ask you write the code, you can write. If they ask any question, you are ready to answer. Okay, confidence. When you will get a confidence, when you practice, then only it will get a confidence. When you attend the interviews, then only you will get a confidence. Only one interview will not get a confidence. Attend the number of interviews. Okay. If bachelor's, you can go for anywhere. Noida, it's a very good city. Pune, I love the Pune. You can go for Pune for 2 years. Don't say Hyderabad only my place. I want to stay Hyderabad only. come after 1 or 2 years. Once you're done there, and come to Hyderabad. Plan like that. Okay. If you're bachelors, I'm telling only bachelors. But if opportunity come anywhere, Mumbai, you can go for Mumbai. It's very good one. You will learn many religions, like you will learn many different kind of languages, different kind of people. So that's a very good advantage, good experience. Don't say that I will stay in Hyderabad only I will work. No, if you get a bachelor, you can go anywhere in the India. Okay, Pune, Noida, Bangalore is very good one. You can get an opportunity in Bangalore, you can go for Bangalore. Try the opportunities. It won't come to your place, right? You need to try. Bangalore, yes, I'm ready to go. Okay, for 1 or 2 months, once you learn all the things, right, you can settle down where you want. Okay. Okay, that is the different story. So practice, guys. Why I'm telling all those things every day. Everyone should need practice. Okay. So tomorrow we'll see very interesting by the browser commands. What are the browser commands? We'll see in tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, guys. Any questions? Anybody? Any questions?
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
Sri.
thank you. Good.
No, sir, it's
Okay,
clear.
good. Okay, good. Thank you, guys. We'll see tomorrow the same time. Okay. Have a nice day. Okay.
Yeah, you too.
Still,
Thank you.
guys, if you are
Thank
not installed Java, please let me know. We will see tomorrow. Okay. But everyone should be installed the Java tomorrow. Okay. Sorry, guys.